Deleting emails in Gmail. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this video, I'll show you how to delete all your Gmail emails at once. Instead of selecting just 50 emails, you can delete everything in one go. And in this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Do you enjoy these types of videos on the channel? There are other related videos available. Subscribe, like, and I'll keep making helpful videos for you. Alright folks, let's get started. I'm going to open Gmail now. In Gmail, you can select messages on the page and then delete them. For example, click here at the top to select. It'll select only the conversations and emails on this page. Leandro, how do I delete all my email messages? Folks, if you look closely, you'll see this option appear. You can select all emails on the main page at once. If I click here, it'll select all 4,244 conversations in my case. After selecting all messages, click on the trash can icon up here. It'll ask again if you want to delete all messages, which for me is over 4,000. Just click OK. It'll do the same for promotions in the Promotions tab for emails there. Select all, choose all messages, click the trash can up here and hit OK. Depending on your message count, this process might take a while. Did you manage to delete everything? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks.